birthday, Virender.
Many happy returns of the day and God bless you.
Many happy returns of the day, Virender.
Wish you happy birthday, Anna.
Wish you happy birthday, Chitappa. Live long life and be happy forever. Wish you both. और मेरे लिए आप बहुत बड़े हो, बहुत स्पेशल हो हर चीज़ में। दोनों आप ही नहीं जीते उस तब आप मेरे को बहुत मोटिवेट किया है। बहुत मिस करती हूँ। हमेशा खुश रहना। और कुछ पता नहीं क्या क्या बोलूँ, क्या नहीं बोलूँ, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। थैंक यू। Wish you happy birthday again. Stay happy forever.
Hi Mama, many more happy returns of the day.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే మామ, మీరు ఎప్పుడు హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలా. అండ్ ఐ విష్ యూ గ్రేట్ హెల్త్ అండ్ వన్స్ అగైన్ మెనీ మోర్ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే.
Hi Mama, happy birthday. Hello Mama, happy birthday. I wish you great success and great health, and I wish you get the best of all. Thank you.
Virender, happy birthday to you. Take care of your health. May God bless you both. Yogi, you have to take care of Virender's health. May God bless him.
Hello Virender, wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Mama. Happy birthday to Mama.
Happy birthday, Virender. Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Virender. Have a many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your life. We'll meet you soon. All the best.
Hello Virender, how are you? Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with good health and happiness. Take care.
Many happy returns of the day, Virender.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Virender.
Wish you a very happy birthday to Mama.
Happy birthday, uncle.
Many happy returns of the day, Virender. Have a healthy and a wonderful time ahead. Take care. God bless you.
Hi Virender. Many happy returns of the day. Have a great day. Please take care of your health. God bless you.
Hi Virender. Wish you many happy returns of the day. I wish you all the pleasures, health, wealth and prosperity in life. God bless you and take care. Good night.
Happy birthday to Mama.
Hello to Nana. Wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great year ahead. Over the years, you have been an inspiration to many. Always stay blessed and stay safe. Keep smiling always.
Namaste, Babaru. Many happy returns of the day. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Virender Baba.
Virender, have a wonderful, happy, healthy and a joyous birthday. A wish for you on your birthday. Whatever you ask, you receive. Whatever you seek, you find. And whatever you wish will be fulfilled. Cherish every second of this day. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy.
Hello Viru uncle, wish you a very happy birthday. I hope this video wishes will really surprise you and make you happy. You have always been my strength and support like a father. Yeah, I know you are my foster father and now also a grandfather, which I'm really happy about. God bless you and auntie abundantly. I'm looking forward to see you soon, and so does your grandson.
Hi uncle, happy birthday to you. On your special day, we both would like to play a song for you. Go ahead. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear uncle. To you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, uncle. Hope you enjoy your day. Bye bye.
Hi Virender, wish you a happy birthday.
Hi Virender, happy birthday.
Hello uncle, a very happy birthday.
wishes coming from all of us at home. It was not possible to get everybody together, and hence wishing on everybody's behalf, wishing you a great day ahead and a happy birthday with your loved ones. Hope you'll have a great birthday. We'll see the video, Uncle. I hope you'll have a memorable time with all these videos coming up your way.
Hi Virender Uncle, this is Munni and Kiran. Can you believe we came to the beach to wish you specially on your birthday? Wish you a very happy birthday and may God bless you with great health, wealth and whatever you wish for. And you are a go-to person, Uncle, for us.
Hi Uncle, wish you a very happy birthday. We wish you a lot of happiness, success, wealth, health and everything what you wish for. And you are one of our special person, who we always go to. So again, Uncle, wish you a very happy birthday.
And Uncle, let me tell you that you are a very special person in our life. We always enjoy being around you. Hope you'll have a great day and you'll enjoy our videos. Bye.
Hello Uncle, many happy returns of the day. Wishing you have a great year ahead. Mom was a little busy, so she asked me to send in wishes from her side as well. So yeah, once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Viru Uncle. We miss you and Yogi Ma. We miss you both. Have a great birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle. We love you.
Happy birthday, Viru. May you have many more happier ones to come. May God bless you always.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अन्ना, जन्मदिन मुबारक हो। मेरी तरफ से आपके लिए गाना बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू Virender Anna, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Anna from all my family members.
Hello Viru. Many happy returns of the day. Hoping we'll all meet together like old times. Missing all the Mahindra Hills days. Hoping to have a night out party. Bye.
Hi Viru. Many happy returns of the day. Hope you have an awesome birthday. And surely we shall touch base if all goes well in the coming year, 2021. I'm certain we can touch base then. So until then, my friend, stay safe. Again, God bless you and your family. Have a wonderful birthday. Thank you.
Hi, Viru. Surprise. I think your brother's got many more surprises lined up for you today. Many happy returns of the day, Viru. Happy birthday to you. Have a great day. You know, Viru, we've known each other for more than 30 years. And both of us are miracle men. Viru, on this day, I pray to God that He showers miracles upon you for many years to come. And I hope to wish you for many more years. My family joins me in wishing you a very happy birthday, Viru. May God shower His blessings on you, keep you healthy, strong. You know, Viru, you're a guy with whom everybody wants to be a friend. So keep going strong. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself with all your family members, especially Yogi. Hi, Yogi. A special thanks to your brother who made this possible. God bless you, Viru. All the very best. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Virender. I wish you a day filled with happiness and a year filled with good health and joy. I also wish that your special day brings you all that your heart desires and it comes to you just the way you imagined it, or probably even in a much better way. Have a wonderful time and year ahead. Once again, I wish you a happy birthday.
Hi Viren, wish you a very happy birthday.
Nothing has changed much. I still remember when you were in primary, I was in 12th, and I used to see you during the lunchtime. Your smile then and now is the same. The only thing which is missing is that red shoulder tab of yours. Otherwise, everything in you remains the same. I'm glad about it. But there's one change I would like you to have is reduce your work. Reduce the involvement in your work. Now from onwards, take your Saturday and Sunday off and learn to relax, because that's what is going to help you in the future. It's about time. Okay? Have a nice time. Have a great day. Have a great year. Wish you, both of you, lots of happiness. See you.
Hello Viru, many happy returns of the day. May the Lord bless you and Yogi and give you both very good health and happiness always, and a blissful life. God be with you all and protect you. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Virender. May God bless you with peace of mind, good health and happiness all your life. Happy birthday again, beta. Bye.
పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు వీరు.
Happy birthday, Viru Mama.
Hi Viru, happy birthday. I hope you have a really special day. When Venkat sent me the message, I was just thinking back, and Viru, Akhila and I have known you for almost our entire lives. And what is so special, I think, for us is that even when we were 9, we thought you were our friend, and even today, you are as much our friend and as connected to us. You are definitely one of those people who, without thinking, we always know Viru will do this. Viru always will be there. Viru has always been there. Like they say, if you count your wealth by the number of friends or by the friends that you have, Viru, you are definitely one of the shiniest and most precious gems that we have. Have a very special day. Happy birthday.
Good morning, Viru. It's your birthday, and I'm calling to wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. And I was just thinking this morning that when I think of all the most precious times and precious memories of my life, you've always been there, Viru. So if I think all the way back to my childhood, coming home from school, that C6 house, I would come home and your scooter would be parked right outside the door, and you would be there at that precious dining table of ours that we still have, having chai and chatting. And all through my childhood it went that way. And then I fast forward, I think of some of the other really precious times of my life. Kutti's wedding, of course, you were always there. But it's funny, just 2 days ago, we were cleaning up and I found the old photographs, Kutti's wedding, and some of the pictures in there were, the flower rangolis that we had made outside. And I remember there again, you are in the memory, as you are the one who had brought the flowers, arranged for the flowers from Monda Market, and I just remember that, getting the flowers from Monda Market with you. And then, my own wedding, in fact, my wedding reception, I wore Yogi's sari. And then my firstborn child, Viru, shares your name. And I can only hope that he is going to become as wonderful of a person and share the qualities that you have, because you are one in a million. Viru, you are one person who has brought smiles and always brings smiles and laughter to the whole world, and you're always the first one to be there in the time of need. You're always there to share our joys and sorrows, and you do that for just the whole world, I'd say, is your friend. So today, on your special day, I wish you a world full of smiles, laughter, happiness and health today and every day.
we're sending you a lot of love from all 5 of us here in LA. Happy birthday.
जन्मदिनमिदं ऐ प्रियसखे जन्मदिनमिदं ऐ प्रियसखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं Happy birthday Uncle.
Hi Uncle, many more happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Virender. Welcome back.
Happy birthday, Virender.
Stay safe, stay healthy.
Stay home.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Viru Annaya. Many more happy, healthy returns of the day. Have a great day. I wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi everyone. Hi Yogi. Hi Virender. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Health, wealth, happiness. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye everyone.
Hi Virender. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with a long life, healthy, prosperous life. Do stay in touch. Do come to Bangalore. Have a great day.
Hi Viru. Many happy returns of the day. Take care.
Wishing you many more happy returns of the day, Viru. Wishing you a wonderful time ahead. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Viru. Many happy returns of the day.
Uncle, many happy returns of the day to you. Happy birthday to you, dear uncle. So, when I got this opportunity to convey my birthday wish through this video record, I thought just by giving you a birthday wish is insufficient. At the same time, I'm not going to do a long video recording. It's a short video just to convey my affection to both of you. Well, this being a special day, a special birthday to you, and a special person for many of us, I would wish both of you, auntie and uncle, a bountiful of happiness, joy, and good health. I would like to say that both of you are such a beautiful couple, like lovebirds. When I say lovebirds, I really mean it, because both of you have a chemistry at times which I always am awestruck. It can be on food, it can be on clothing, it can be on puja, on celebrations, the way you relate to people, all of that. I mean, there is so much of, togetherness which I see in both of you. And above all, to support unconditionally people who are known to you, who are unknown to you, and automatically turn out to be your family as well. And one such example is me. Thank you is just not enough for me to tell at this point in time. In fact, I'm really humbled and a lot of gratitude to both of you to make me who I am today. Definitely, you are one among the few who really have built confidence and courage in my life. Thank you is just not enough. After my parents, I definitely look up to both of you as my family. I may not frequently call both of you. I am sorry, but definitely my memories, my experiences with both of you are very fresh in my heart. I really cherish our time together where we enjoyed long conversations, mind reading. After that, all the ice creams that we enjoyed together, the temple visits, Navaratna home, Geeta auntie, all the relatives, all the cousins, the youngest nephew also, all of them, Venkat pursuing MBBS, all of those conversations, a lot of good times, and many of the the low feelings of mine, which both of you have really helped me to boost up my energy by giving a lot of positive vibes. I must say, both of you have a lot of positive vibe. You'll just walk in and then there's a lot of, yes, life is back, life can come, life can be beautiful. So, and I really mean it. I really have experienced that, and whenever I think of enjoying life to the fullest, I think of a chicken biryani which auntie prepared. I think of the ice creams, and uncle, I also remember the Wax Bakery, the chocolate cream bun which is one of your favorite sweet, or a sweet dish which you enjoy. So please have as much as possible, uncle. Don't have any restrictions. Enjoy. So thank you very much for everything. Every conversation which we both had, every conversation auntie and uncle or rather we three had together, it's so much, very much with me. The relatives, the family, friends, our Secunderabad club visits, all of that is very much close to my heart. And you have introduced me to everyone as your daughter. That itself is so unconditional. Thank you, uncle. Thank you, uncle and auntie. Thank you very much. From bottom of my heart, I'm saying this. I really look up to both of you. I'm sorry I'm not able to call both of you, or I'm unable to come there, but definitely someday, one day, I will definitely make it. But I will not take too much of your time in conversations and all of that. Okay, so please enjoy. Please, what should I say? Enjoy your day. Be strong. We are all there. I am very much there for you all, for both of you, uncle and auntie. So I wish you good luck and enjoy your day. Enjoy to the fullest. Bye bye. Take care. Love from Asha. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Virender. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, good morning. How are you? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Virender.
It's a great coincidence. Today is my star birthday as well. Wish you all the very best. Have a great time.
Wish you a very, very healthy, happy and prosperous year.
Hello Virendra uncle, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Wishing you the best of health and happiness for many, many more years to come. All the very best. I always remember the good times we spent at Hyderabad with Yogi auntie, yourself. So all the very best. Looking forward to meeting you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi Virendra uncle, happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness and all the very best. Say happy birthday uncle.
Happy birthday. Say happy birthday uncle.
Why don't you sing happy birthday? Huh? Sing happy birthday.
Give a flying kiss. Give a flying kiss too. Good. Alright uncle, auntie, all the very best. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Viru. Wish you a very happy birthday. And best wishes to the lovely couple Yogi and Viru. And I wish you a very good health and happiness forever. Thank you.
Hello Virender, good morning and a very happy birthday to you. This here is a card that was made by my grandson and I like to share it with you. Happy birthday Virender. I'd just like to say one small quotation, and it says that I've read it somewhere and I truly believe in it. It says friendship is always a sweet responsibility, never an opportunity. I have known you for many years. I've always found you to be warm and caring. And I know that you're a very strong person. You're very wise. You're very thoughtful. And God has blessed you with all these qualities. And may God bless you in the years to come. So here's wishing you a very happy birthday. A birthday filled with happiness. And I want God to bless your year and to fill it with joy, peace, and good health. Have a wonderful time today with family and with friends, and hope your special day brings you all that your heart desires.
So here's wishing you again a wonderful day. God bless you. And I also like to wish Yogi at this moment. When I think of the two of you, or even you, it's always you and Yogi together. Somehow you don't stand out alone. I think of the two of you together. You make a wonderful couple. God bless the two of you. I've never had the opportunity to wish Yogi on her birthday, so I'm wishing her here as well. So wish Yogi also, I wish you Yogi also a very happy birthday. So I think it's a double celebration from my side for both of you. May God bless you abundantly, keep you both happy, prosperous, and healthy all through the coming years. Once again, God bless you and have a great day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Virender sir. Have a nice day.
Hi, Annaya. Many returns of the day.
Happy birthday, uncle.
Hello. Many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a fabulous birthday. Be as amazing as you have always been. Hope to meet you soon.
Hi Viru. Happy birthday. Nice that we are connected through the digital mode now. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful year ahead. And keep your health well, okay? Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Stay blessed.
Hi Anna, happy birthday to you.
Hi uncle. Happy birthday to you. Have a great year ahead.
Hello Virender sir. Happy birthday. I am Ashok Bhargava from Indian Oil Corporate Office. I thank you very much for your advices during my initial days of Indian Oil career. I spent you 10 days at Tirupati during 1992 on a special visit to of Petroleum Minister. You taught me so many things during that period that helped me a long way in Indian Oil. I thank you very much sir for your guidance. I once again wish you very happy birthday and wish you all the very best in your future endeavors. Thank you very much sir. Thank you.
Happy birthday sir. My mother sends her special blessings for you. This is a song for you from all of us. बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिन आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Viru sir. Happy birthday to you. God bless you sir. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Hello sir. Good morning. Many more happy returns of the day. God bless you with health, wealth, peace, prosperity and happiness throughout this year and the years to come. We miss you sir. Mahesh also joins me in wishing you a very happy birthday. Also Shubha, Rahul, mother, everyone are wishing you a very happy birthday. We wish you all the best sir. When you live 100 years, this is our prayers. You should be always hale hearty and with pink of health. Thank you sir. Take care.
Happy birthday, Viru uncle. Happy birthday. Have a great day. May God bless you.
Hi Viru. Don't get too shocked, but you have one more wish from me coming this year. So wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. Have a rocking year ahead actually. See you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Virender. Have a great year ahead. God bless. Bye.
Hey Virender sir, have a wonderful day. You are a friend, philosopher and guide to all of our family members. We wish you a lot of love, fun and laughter on this wonderful day. I and Jay love you both, you and Yogi ma'am. You've been very loving to all of us, and on this special day we wish you
wonderful wishes.
Happy birthday, Viru Mama.
Many happy returns of the day, sir. Have a nice day.
Hi, this is Uma and Adisha here. Many more happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday.
Bye, nice meeting you like this.
Hi Viru, a very happy birthday to you and wish you many more happy returns of the day. Have a great day.
Many more happy returns of the day. Still, the 25th year meet is still very fresh in my mind. Have a great day.
Hi Veera, I'm so happy today to get in touch with you. It's your birthday and it's my privilege actually to talk to you and say such lovely things about you because you are a lovely person. You have been my friend through office for the past more than 25 years, I think. And Yogi also have been, both of you together have been real good, lovely friends that I always treasure and cherish. So today, I want to wish you all God's blessings for a beautiful year, for beautiful years that you are going to spend. Because we hear all your friends, all your relatives, I'm sure, from the way your nephew is arranging it, shows the kind of love and affection that you have for all of us. You are a unique person, human being, a unique human being. At any time, anybody could come to you and you could never say no. So you are such a blessing to all of us. I have not seen you for quite some time, but we are in touch every day, and I really look forward to your morning messages and your good night messages and yogis. You both are really very special people, and there are no words to describe what a person you are. And I'm glad I met you in my life. I'm much older to you, but you always treated me as your equal. In fact, that is your speciality. You make people feel important. You make people feel special. And thank you for making me feel special. And thank you for all the years we've been friends. And I wish you really God's blessings, and that God will grant you all the desires of your heart with good health, peace, happiness, always. Love you so much. God bless you. Bye.
Hey Viru, my acquaintance in school, my friend in college, my bestie and bro forever, my fall weather friend. When the seas were rough, when the going was tough, you were always there for me. 4 lines dedicated to you. दोस्ती का जब भी जिक्र आएगा, दोस्ती का जब भी जिक्र आएगा, मेरे लबों पे तेरा ही नाम आएगा. दोस्ती का जब जिक्र आएगा, मेरे लबों पे तेरा ही नाम आएगा. खुशियां तुझसे न कभी दूर रहें वीरू, खुशियां तुझसे न कभी दूर रहें. मेरे दिल से सदा ही ये पैगाम आएगा, मेरे दिल से सदा ही ये पैगाम आएगा. Many happy returns. Stay healthy, stay safe, take care.
Very happy birthday, Virendra sir. I got to know that tomorrow is your birthday. On September 13th, your brother asked me to stitch one short length kurta, as I did, and I'm offering you one blazer as a token gesture of gratitude on my behalf to you. And you're a very nice person with all the good qualities to help other people, and you're always kind to other people. I observed you from so many years that you are very, very soft and well mannered, and you have always maintained that high standards in maintaining relationship and helping people at appropriate time. I once again wish you happy birthday and a very healthy life for your coming future. Thank you, sir.
Have a happy, wonderful, healthy birthday, uncle. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Virendra uncle.
Hi Viru, very happy birthday to you.
Hi Viru, wish you many happy returns of the day. Wishing you good health and many more happy returns.
Many happy returns to a wonderful friend who's been a guardian on earth to all who know him and to all his friends. Have a great day. Bye.
हेलो चितप्पा, कैसे हो आप? खैर आप बहुत ही अच्छे होंगे, मुझे मालूम है। मैं बहुत ही लेट विश कर रही हूँ। हैप्पी बर्थडे चितप्पा, विश यू मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। आप हमेशा हेल्दी रहिए और सब खुशियाँ आपके पास रहिए, आपके पास हमेशा रहना चाहिए। मैं ये दुआ करूँगी भगवान से, और आप हमेशा खुश रहते रहिए, हंसते रहिए। मैं स्पेशल थैंक्स एक्चुअली प्रिया दीदी को भी बोलूँगी, क्योंकि उनकी वजह से मैं आपसे मिल पाई हूँ, आप दोनों से। आप लोग ने कभी भी मुझे अकेला नहीं महसूस होने दिया कि मैं कुछ आप लोग की लगती नहीं हूँ। मुझे मालूम है हम ब्लड रिलेशन में नहीं हैं, बट आपने मुझे उतना ही प्यार किया एज ए डॉटर। जैसा आप दीदी को प्यार करते थे, वैसे ही आपने मुझे भी केयर किया है, क्योंकि आप हमेशा रोज़ चितप्पा आपने हमेशा मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे हमेशा गुड मॉर्निंग और गुड नाइट, मैंने रोज़ आपका SMS देखा है, रोज़। खैर मैं हमेशा मिस आउट हो जाती हूँ कभी विश करने में, पर आप लोग ने हमेशा अपने दिल में मेरे लिए भी जगह बचाई है। मैं उसके लिए बहुत धन्यवाद बोलूँगी, और आप हमेशा खुश रहिए चितप्पा। ज़रूर अगर मुझे मौका मिला तो मैं ज़रूर वहाँ आऊँगी, ये गारंटी है। मैं पक्का आप लोग से मिलने आऊँगी। थैंक यू। मेरी पूरी फैमिली से आपको विश करना चाहती है हैप्पी बर्थडे, और हमेशा खुश रहिएगा चितप्पा। मैं लेट हूँ विश करने में, सॉरी, प्लीज़ मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिएगा। और अगर आपको मौका मिला मुंबई में तो आप प्लीज़ मेरे घर में आए भी ना, कभी नहीं जाओगे, कहीं भी नहीं। प्लीज़ आपको आना है, अगर मौका मिला तो प्लीज़ थोड़ी दिनों के लिए मेरे साथ भी थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड कीजिए, सो दैट ये मेमोरीज हमेशा ज़िंदगी भर रहे याद। बाय बाय, टेक केयर। चिट्टी को भी मेरा लॉट्स ऑफ लव देना, और विश यू मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे चिचप्पा। Bye bye.
Start.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir. May you have a long, happy and healthy life.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day. This is a wish from Pondy Beach. Have a great day. Thank you.
Wish you many happy birthday.
जन्मदिन शुभाकांक्षलु सर.
Love you.
Hi sir. Many more happy returns of the day, sir. ఇలాంటి బర్త్డేలు ఇంకెన్నో జరుపుకోవాలని, మీ కాలేజ్ డేస్లో లైఫ్ ఎంజాయ్ చేయాలని మనస్ఫూర్తి కోరుకుంటున్నాను
సార్. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే వీరేందర్. హ్యావ్ ఎ వండర్ఫుల్ డే అండ్ ఎ గ్రేట్ ఇయర్ అహెడ్. బీ హ్యాపీ, బీ హెల్తీ.
Hi uncle, I know this does not count much as a gift, but a little bit of small kind of contribution, or I can just say it's a kind of token of appreciation for all the time I had with you and the experiences you have given me. So here I am wishing you a very, very happy birthday and a healthy year ahead. Stay blessed, work less, please. It's okay to work less, it's not a boon. So what I really wanted to say about you now is, like, you are a person whom I can unequivocally say that who has a capability of making a smile wider and a heart lighter. That is something very rare people can achieve just by talking, and I have been blessed to have it on a multiple accounts with you. So I'm very glad I have an opportunity that I can call you my uncle, and I can meet you and I can talk to you whenever it is available. So for being such a kind person and a person who knows what to say is really a blessing. So thank you for being a blessing that I really needed when I had a heavier heart, or a conflict stated mind. I really needed someone to make it lighter, and you were there. So for that, and I admire you and Auntie as a couple for a million reasons and a million more. So for being you are something I can always look up to. So from that little child to what I have grown today, how can I tell this to put it in a right way? You did guide me in a way that wasn't visible and that wasn't prominent, but you did help me shape a person I am today. So I'm thankful for that, and for Auntie. So have a great day. Love you guys. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Happy quarantine birthday. Staying at home but having a blast on your quarantine birthday. Rocking that party hat and your homemade mask. Trendy cut, happy butt, 6 feet of room. Sanitized hands and a party on Zoom.
Can you hear me? You need to unmute. Unmute!
Have a super great birthday. All your friends wish they could be near, but your quarantine birthday means you get to have another birthday next year. Happy quarantine birthday. Staying at home but having a blast on your quarantine birthday. Rocking that party hat and your homemade mask. Trendy cut, happy butt, 6 feet of room. Sanitized hands and a party on Zoom.
Can you hear me? You need to unmute. Unmute!
Have a super great birthday. All your friends wish they could be near, but your quarantine birthday means you get to have another birthday next year.